Hello everyone, good evening everyone. Actually, I've been at RU kanina and I date with Baby Boy kanina. So, I found some
Cairo, no?
cute items there and also, ang daming sale ngayon sa H&M Japan. I don't know the other country kung may sale ba, but I think all over Japan, H&M, if there is H&M in your place, visit your H&M dahil it's a many big sale right now at H&M. Actually, I buy some cheapest sale items at H&M and also I buy actually, this is not a sale, but this is from H&M at the kids area, okay? And you can see Barbie. You can see Barbie and it's a metallic pink. So, wala lang, naisipan ko lang talaga siyang, naisipan ko lang, I think gusto ko siyang gamitin, this holiday, summer holiday, and I think pink is so cute, and I think it's so cute, but I don't know kung maliit sa akin at malaki, but, yeah. Wala lang. Nakita lang ako sa pink on everyone. So, this is what I've got there. Wala lang, gamitin ko lang siguro to pang, I don't know. So, yeah, this is what I've got. Ito ang nakita ko doon and it's only 1,499 only. So, yeah, it's a metal pink Barbie hat. I love it. And of course, I found this one piece
this
dress.
is the items that I
Pink.
buy at
It's
H&M
style.
today, everyone.
And
This
very
hat,
cheap,
this
from 99 to
Barbie cute hat,
199
and
only.
this
So I've got
one
this
piece
It's
pink
sparkling.
dress.
You
I
can see
feel
because
I'm
it is
just like
It's a sparkling,
I'm a Barbie
sparkling
girl
one piece
in a
dress, and I
Barbie
have a size M, okay?
world.
So I'm so excited
Life
to
is
wear
plastic.
this
It's fantastic.
hat.
You can brush my hair and dress me
So,
everywhere.
yeah,
Yeah, I'm just like a Barbie in this.
And of course, I buy this one because
everyone.
mura lang
I
nakita
love
ko, and
this
I think perfect na pang partner ko
cute
sa akin.
hat.
Blouse.
Yeah, and this
And it's
dress.
only 199. Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm a Barbie girl
So, this is the white one.
at a
Wala
Barbie
lang. So, syempre, cover or
world.
something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you
Okay,
so
it's a little
much
bit
and
bigger size
kisses,
for me, but,
everyone.
pahiin ko lang siya. I-adjust siya para maging maliit. But yeah, because I love the fabric. And kung makikita niyo yung fabric, everyone, ang ganda. So I know, hindi siya, maganda ang quality. So maganda siya isuot. So yeah. And then, yeah, I can wear in all season. And let's continue this, some other, ewan ko, ang dami ko ng mga shampoos, conditioner dyan sa bathroom. Wala lang. Mura lang kasi. I found this at Irina store. So, this is a Hydro Tank Keratin Propolis treatment, hair treatment. I buy this. And also, I buy this Hydro Tank Hydro Moist Shampoo, Damage Repair, Keratin. So, I buy this. So, ang dagdag ko lang dun. Siguro, I have a 3 squares of shampoo there. And I buy also this Aloe Vera Mild and Moisture Big Toner for my skin. Dahil lalo na ngayon mainit talaga, everyone. So, kung gusto mong, before ka lalabas sa araw, before ka magpa-expose sa araw, just apply Aloe Vera Mild and Moisture Big this toner. I can use this in whole body, in my whole body. And this is from Nature Republic. So, yeah, I buy this one. And I love aloe vera. And, of course, I buy this Kiss New York eyeshadow palette. So, gamitin natin ito bukas. And I think the color is so perfect. And, of course, I buy also the tint. Dahil, alam niyo, kanina, I tried the tint, everyone. Kanina, naghugas na ako, everyone, hindi siya natanggal. So, yeah, parang gusto kong i-collect yung some colors in this one. Yeah,